Throughout history, there have been countless individuals who have faced adversity, self-doubt, and hardship, yet rose above their challenges to achieve greatness. Their stories serve as powerful lessons that resilience, confidence, and belief in oneself can overcome any obstacle. Lesson 1: The Power of Persistence. Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison for standing up against apartheid in South Africa. Many would have given up hope, but he remained steadfast in his belief that freedom and equality were worth fighting for. Lesson: Adversity is temporary, purpose is permanent. No matter how long the journey, staying committed to your values leads to change. Lesson 2: Turning setbacks into comebacks. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first television job because her boss said she was unfit for TV. Instead of letting this failure define her, she turned rejection into motivation and built one of the most successful talk shows in history. Lesson: Rejection is redirection. Use setbacks as stepping stones towards something better. Believe in your unique gifts, even when others don't see them yet. Lesson 3: Self-belief. Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was fired from Apple, the company he co-founded. At first, he was devastated, but instead of giving up, he used that failure to start new ventures, learning and evolving in the process. Eventually, he returned to Apple and transformed it into the powerhouse it is today. Lesson: Believe in your vision, even when others doubt you. Sometimes failure pushes you toward your greatest success. Lesson 4: Breaking barriers. Serena Williams. Serena Williams grew up in a sport that was not traditionally open to black athletes. Despite facing discrimination, criticism, and injuries, she became one of the greatest tennis players in history. Lesson: Ignore the naysayers. Focus on your goals, not other people's opinions. Hard work and discipline can break any barrier. Lesson 5: Never giving up. Walt Disney. Walt Disney was told he lacked imagination and was fired from a newspaper. His first business failed, leaving him bankrupt. Yet he never stopped believing in his dreams, and today Disney is one of the biggest entertainment empires in the world. Lesson: Dream big, even when the world doubts you. Failure is part of success. Don't let it stop you. Key takeaway: the most successful people didn't avoid failure, rejection, or obstacles. They faced them, learned from them, and kept going. If they could overcome challenges, so can you. Please like, comment, and subscribe.